Hello, this video is to help you with your sourcing assignment. So when you get a sourcing assignment, you are going to get a document that's going to tell you, as the one shown, what your sourcing assignment is, the article you have, who the author is, who your executive editor is, and the footnotes you are assigned. So in this case, here's an example of one I did. This is the article I had, this is who I reported to, and I had numbers 1 through 48. So what is suggested that you do is that the first thing you do, like that I did, is I took all the footnotes and I copied 1 through 48 onto a separate Word document as shown. Now you're going to do two things. One, you have to find the source and see if the source is paraphrased or quoted directly. For this, you are going to go through the citations, see if the author, you're going to have the author's original citation, and then any edits, if not, that you need, plus you're going to put the rule number that you're citing to. For example, if they put id and nothing needs to be done, you would just write under it, no correction needed. If you think there is a correction needed, then you would write how you would cite it, and that way the executive editor could make the final decision. Additionally, you have to find the sources. For example, if I'm looking at the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, I have to find that and find if the source the author mentioned is cited directly or paraphrased. So for example, here's example of footnote 3. And as you can see, footnotes 3, 4, and 5 come from Amnesty International, No Safe Haven for Torturers. So in this example, I have highlighted in yellow the text the author used per footnote. So how you highlight is that you would come to this tool here, click it, and you would highlight your document. Then, Tools, I would drop down, hit Add Text Box, and I could add a note that would let me add footnote number 4 or anything of the like, so that I could let my executive editor know this is which footnote this pertains to. So this is for footnotes 3, 4, and 5. So then what I would do is, as you can see from the title, I saved it as FN003-FN005. Now, if the source is directly cited and not paraphrased, then I would highlight, I would go here again, hit highlight, select the text that I wanted, right click, go to properties, and I could select my color. So for sourcing assignments, we ask that yellow is done for paraphrases and blue is done for direct quotations. So in this case, I picked blue. Any shade of blue will do as long as it's blue. And I've highlighted it and then saved the document as a PDF. Now, if you have web pages, what I have found that helps, for example, let's say I wanted to cite this case from the ICTY, just the page in general. If you have a Mac, you would go to File, Print, and then go here to your drop-down box and hit Save as PDF. This would save the web page you are currently viewing as a PDF so that you can later open it and highlight, and you could save it as anything you wanted. So let's say I save it as FN001. I will save it to my downloads. And this now enables me to go into my downloads, search for FN001, and it is now a PDF document that I could highlight, make notes, and anything of the sort.